going on, world? Come back with you again with another Xcelerated International video. On this day, March 16th, pre-recorded video 2024, we all know by Xcelerated International how Xcelerated International will get you some residual income from home. All you got to do is become a member. That's it. Become a member to be Xcelerated International. That's it. It's very easy to do. Become a member and you're good to go. Here are the oil collection. 100% pure therapeutic grade oil by Xcelerated International that you can use for your daily use. Or when you need oil, you can use this for anything, for your health. I like the color of the bottle. They got different color wrapping on each bottle. They got lavender, lemongrass, focus, tea tree, and so forth and so on. This is Xcelerated International, a $20 business that can make you residual income by you just telling people about it. That's it. I'm going to show you. This is my back office, my shopping account that I am a member price. There you go. Yeah, this is my product I can buy anytime. You don't have to shop at your store if you don't want to. You notice everything is cheap from the actual price. Look at the prices. The member prices is cheaper than the original price because I am a member, paying my $20 a month with Xcelerated International. By me speaking behind this video, showing proof that you can use this product if you order from your own store. This is my own store. Everything is done for you. Just maintain your website for $20 or $200 yearly if you're a new member. If you're a new member, you pay $200 yearly, and you will make your money back in them orders. You will make your money back. Look at the magnesium. See how cheap it is being a member. $12.95 for the magnesium. They out of stock. Coffee, super great coffee, organic super great coffee by Xcelerated International. Less than $20. This is your member price, $20. Less than $20 to order this. You buy from your own store and you are replenishing your own store at the same time. You are buying from your store and giving you back your money back in your account by you shopping in your own store if you want to. That's the name of the game of live good as well. If you buy from your store, you get the money back right back at you by other people buying from your store. It's no brainer. You are shopping at your own store and getting your money right back. You are funding your account to get your money right back to you. Here's all the oils. Cheap. Member price, $13.95, $12.95. This is so cheap. And then they got accessory now. Black Xcelerated International t-shirt. T-shirt, $16.95. Accessories. They just add this on this accessory. Here's the reason I joined Xcelerated International. Because of auto care. Auto care for your car. I already used some of this Xcelerated International fuel tab for your car. If you have a diesel car, it's less than $30 for diesel. I don't have a diesel gasoline. But here's the gasoline. They do have gasoline for $30. I got hydro windshield wiper for $15. I already got this. Here is a 6-pack of accelerated fuel tabs that you can use for your car. It is no brainer. Look at the prices. It is no brainer, y'all. Look at the prices. And you go from there. This is my own auto store care that you can buy anything you want from your own store. You can buy anything you want. All you do is become a member. That's it. Xcelerate International. You are good to go. I mean, I can't stop stressing this. Keep talking about the same old thing. All the non-business owner out there. We have sponsors for you to work from home. You cannot run from this. We are here to stay. We try to help people that are looking for work. The work is online now. You just got to pick something that's easy for you to understand and start promoting like everybody else. I can't stop stressing it. That's what I do every day. Every day I get up, this is what I do. I promote. That's simple. I promote. Cheap, cheap. Cheap. I mean, it's no brainer. This is so cheap. They got t-shirt. They're probably going to add some more stuff on here. And you go from there. I mean, if you're looking for work, here is a $20 business that can help you put some money in your pocket like clockwork. $20 business, and you don't have to order from your own store. If you want to do the yearly thing, without you saying I don't have the $20, you may do so, pay the $200 a month, $200 for the whole year, and you're good to go. They're making it simple and easy for you to be able to make money to pay your yearly subscription. It's no brainer. A whole year without you paying nothing, and you make money. That makes sense to me. If you don't have $20 for the whole month, they got the yearly subscription added to Xcelerate International. I made a video about that, how Xcelerate has 2 options for you. If you want to stick with the $20 a month or the yearly subscription, new member pay $199, $200 a year. If you're an old member, they will deduct whatever you're already paying for the month. It's going to be $179. That's what I'm going to be paying for the whole year because I'm a previous member. Yes, we are serious. I am serious what I'm talking about. You all know me on social media now. I'm out here. I'm everywhere. All you do is spend $20 or $200 a year and you start making some money. That's it. It is no brainer about this $20 business. It is no brainer at all. What are you waiting for? Who are you waiting on? That is the big question. For the non-business owner out there, you know you need some extra money. You know you broke. I don't know why you scared of making money. You know your savings account is depreciating. You ain't even have enough savings to make your bill. You month to month, paycheck to paycheck. Where they do that at? Only a $20 business can save your life. $20 business can put some extra income in your pocket. I'm a member with Live Good as well. I already made a video about Live Good. Live Good been around a long time, like Xcelerated gonna be around a long time as well. Only $20 or $200 a year. That's it. We're gonna spend some money and you get your money right back. And no, we need to lose weight. We need to look good, stay healthy, and take our supplement and eat our vegetables. That's why everybody doing supplement awareness company that we need all this for our system. We're not getting younger. We're not getting younger, we're getting older. Every year we get a birthday. Every year we get a birthday and we getting older. So what I gotta tell you, whatever you was doing when you was young, eating junk food, we need to stop eating junk food and put some right nourishment into our bloodstream. Brought to you by Xcelerate International. A $20 business can save your life and save your pocket as well. That's all my member price right here. $20, $12. It's no brainer. It is no brainer, y'all. So, I mean, I'm not going to say, yeah, just join Xcelerate International and start making money by you promoting at the same time. That's simple, that easy, painless. All right, come back with you again with another video. Thanks.